What do you know about hot work? Hot work is any activity or process that generates a source of ignition. This could be through a flame, heat or a spark. Welding, brazing, cutting and grinding are the different types of hot work. Extra precaution must be exercised while doing hot work as they are considered high-risk jobs. Let me ask you this: what are the hazards you are going to face while doing hot works? Fire and explosion, electrocution, fumes, exposure to harmful UV or infrared light, sparks, burns, etc. Remember never to perform hot work outside the designated area. If you are performing hot work outside the designated area, a hot work permit is required before performing the task. Make sure that the place where hot works are performed is clear of any flammable materials or waste products. Gas testing is an integral part of hot work. Monitor the area where hot work is performed for flammable, explosive or poisonous gases or vapors. Make sure all the pieces of equipment are tested and fit to use. Don't forget to inspect them yourself. Make sure a fire watcher is there during hot work and the extinguishers are of the right type, inspected, not expired and fit for purpose. Make sure electrical cables are not laid on the pathway or wet surfaces. Always use PPE's welding shield, leather gloves, cover all masks, etc. For more information and booking, contact one of our customer support team at 0434537516. Visit our website at www.najmaconsultancy.com. Email us at najmauae@eim.ae. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram.